Good morning, my dear friends. Welcome to your mathematics class once again. So, my dear students, today we will study different ways to write a number. In this, we will revise as standard form, expanded form, and word form. Okay? But very first, we will see the solution of previous homework. Okay? In previous video, I had given you to solve these two questions. Question number first, write the place value of, and question number second, write the face value of this number. So, my dear students, place value of a digit depend upon its position in the number. So, look at the solution of A. We have to find out the place value of 3 in first 4378. So tell me the 3 at which place, which position in this number. So 3 is 100 place. 3 is 100 place. How? It's a ones, it's a tens, it's 100 and it's a 1000, and 3 at 100 place. So now we will multiply it with 100. So 3 multiplied by 100, we get 300. So the place value of 3 in 4378 is 300. Look at second, 3509. In this number we can see 3 at 1000 place. So we will multiply it with 1000. Then we get 3000. So we will write here 3000. In this number the place value of 3 is 3000. Okay. Number third, we can see here 3 at a tens place. So we will multiply it with 10. So 3 multiplied by 10 is equal to 30. So we will write here 30. In number third, the place value of 3 is 30. Okay. Look at B. In B, we have to find out place value of 5. In first, 1325. We can see here in this numeral 5 at one space. So we will multiply it with 1. 5 multiplied by 1 is equal to 5. So here we will write 5. Okay. Look at next, 5019. In this number 5 at 1000 place. So we will multiply with it with 1000. Then we get 5000. We write here 5000. In third, 2578. 5 at 100 place. So we will multiply with 100 and we get 500. Okay. Look at C. We have to find out the place value of 1 in 5921. In this question, 1 at one's place. So we will multiply it with 1. 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1. Okay. So we will write here 1. In second, 1 at 1000 place. So we will multiply it with 1000. We get 1000. So here we will write 1000. Next, in third, here 1 at 100 place. So we will multiply it with 100 and we get 100. Same. So we will write here 100. In this question the place value of 1 is 100. Look at D. In D, we have to find out the place value of 6 in 2760. We can see here in this numeral 6 at tens place. So we multiply it with 10. 6 multiplied by 10 is equal to 60. So we will write here 60. Number second, 8261. Here we can see here also 6 at tens place, so again we will multiply it with 10 and we get 60. Then again we will write here 60. In this number 8261, the place value of 6 is 60. Look it in third, 6032. So 6 at 1000 place, so we will multiply it with 1000. So 6 multiplied by 1 is equal to 6000. Then we will write here 6000. In the numeral 6032, the place value of 6 is 6000. Okay, look at the second question. Write the face value of 8 in. So my dear student, we know the face value of a digit itself. किसी भी digit का face value वो digit ही होता है. So in this question number first, we have to find out the place value of 8 in 5784. So the face value of it will be 8, because we know the place value of a digit is the value of the digit itself. Okay, again in B, here again will be 8. In C, same, face value of 8 will be 8, because we know the face value of remain unchanged, because it is not depend on position of a number. As we can see here in this question, 8 at tens place, in B 8 at 100 place, and again in C 8 at tens place, but the face value of remain unchanged in all these. So this is the face value and place value. I hope you all have done your homework. So now let us start our today's topic. Today we will study about the expanded form, standard form and word form. Means different ways to writing a number. So let's see. Different ways to write a number. Any number can be written in the following 3 ways. So look at the first example. You can see here, this is an abacus and its vertical line known as spikes of abacus, and it's represent from the left ones, tens, 100 and 1000 respectively, and these small points are known as beats, which represent the numbers. Like here we can see 1, 2, 3, 4 beats, so it's mean here 4 ones. Okay, at tens place 1, 2, 3 beats means 3 tens. Okay, at 100 place 1, 2 beats means 200, and at 1000 place 1 beat, so it means 1000. So according to it, here is 1234. Okay, so my dear student, now this is how we can write any number. So number first, standard form. If we are writing this number like this, 1234, so this is called standard form. Second is word form. You can see here I have written here 1234. So this is the word form. And number third, expanded form. I have written here 1000 plus 200 plus 40 plus 4. So this is the expanded form. Okay, so my dear student, these are 3 ways in which any number can written. Okay, so now we will look how we can write number in these forms. Okay, number first is, so now we will see how we can write any number in expanded form. So my dear students, we can write in any number in expanded form according to their place value. In previous video, I had taught you how we can find out the place value of any digit. So let us see. In example number first, 9756. In this, 6 at ones place, 5 at tens place, 7 at hundred place and 9 at thousand place. So my dear students, now tell me the place value of 9 in this number. So we can see here 9 at thousand place. So the place value of 9 is 9 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 9000. 7 at 100 place, so we will multiply it with 100. 7 multiplied by 100 is equal to 700. 5 at tens place, so we will multiply 5 with 10. So 5 multiplied by 10 is equal to 50. And 6 at ones place, so we will multiply it with 1. 6 multiplied by 1 is equal to 6. So my dear students, now you can see this is the place values of 9756, 9750 and 6. So now it is very easy to write any number in expanded form. Now we have just put plus sign between them. Now we have to put plus sign between them. So the expanded form of the number is, only we have to write plus sign between them. 9000 plus 700 plus 50 and plus 6. So my dear students, you can see 9000 plus 700 plus 50 plus 6 is the expanded form of the number 9756. Look at another example. Example second, 8506. We have to write it in expanded form. My dear student, there is no need to write all these steps. It's only for understanding you. Okay, so in this number we will write it directly. So 8 at 1000 place, so 8000. After this, plus sign. Next, 5 at 100 place, so when we will multiply 5 with 100, we get 500. Okay, again plus sign. 0, so there is no need to write 0 here. We can write, but we can remove it. Okay, so now this is 6 at ones place, so we will multiply 6 with 1. 6 multiplied by 1 is equal to 6. So this is the expanded form of 8506. 8000 plus 500 plus 6. Now we will think, you can think, why we cannot write 0. So if you will write 0 here, there is no mean for 0. If you are writing here 0, so there is no mean of 0. So that's why we can erase it. Okay. Number third, word form. Word form is also known as number name. Now we will see how we can write any number in word form. So it is also, we can write according to their place value, or we can write it as we are reading this number. As we are reading any number, we have to write only it in word form. Now see here. Solution of this question: 6706. We have to write it in word form. So firstly, we will find out the place value of these digits. So place value of 6 is 6000, 7 700, and here for 0 0, and for 6 6. Okay, so my dear student, now read it. How we can read it all? 6706. No need to read here 0. While reading 0, we will silent. Okay, so read it. How we can read it? 6000. Now we write it 6000. 6,700. 700. 6706. So the number name for 6706 is 6706. Okay. See next example, 5983. So we have to write it in word form. We have to write it in word form. So read this number. How we can read it? 5000. 5000. 900. 900. 80. 83. 5983. This is the word form of this number. Word form means शब्दों में लिखना. It is written in number, so we have to write it in word. We can read it in word form in same way as we are reading. हम जैसे इसको पढ़ते हैं, हम इसको कैसे पढ़ते हैं? 5983. So only we have to write 5000 spelling of 5983. So it is in word form. Okay, I hope you have understood how we can write any number in following three forms: in standard form, expanded form, and word form. So now there is some question that you have to solve. It is your homework. Okay, so you have to solve exercise 2C. I hope you all have done it in your copy, but now you have to fill it in your book. You have to solve question number 1 from A to G. Okay, so you have to fill it in your book. Okay, your book should be filled. Okay.